What's the value of the expression 5 divided by 1 over 5 times 5 divided by 1 over 5? Which option do you think is the correct answer? This question confused a lot of people and made them choose the wrong option. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. Maybe a lot of people when solving this question will first look at the part 1 over 5 times 5, which I have highlighted in yellow, and they will cancel out the 5's. So they rewrite the whole expression as 5 divided by 1 divided by 1 over 5. In the next step, they will probably go to 5 divided by 1 and say that this expression simplifies to 5 divided by 1 over 5. And finally, they say this expression must be equal to 25. Then, without hesitation, they say that option C is the correct answer to this question. But it's completely wrong. Now let me show you the correct way to solve this question. To solve this expression, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. We must follow the order of operations exactly as it's written, from top to bottom, step by step. As you can see in the image, we have 2 divisions and 1 multiplication in this expression. And it's very important to keep in mind that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the exact same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the equation and move up step by step toward the right. So, we start with the expression 5 divided by 1 over 5, which I have highlighted in yellow. Alright, if you ever see a division sign between 2 expressions, it's best to follow the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is, C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, we remove the part that I've highlighted in yellow and replace it with 5 times 5. Now, this expression becomes 25 times 5 divided by 1 over 5. In the next step, we multiply 25 times 5, which simplifies the expression to 125 divided by 1 over 5. And finally, for the part which I have highlighted in blue, according to the KCF rule, we rewrite it as 125 times 5, which gives us the final answer 625. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.